Hello everyone, we are now at Al Wathba. This is also one of the Jumeirah hotels in Abu Dhabi. This is in Al Wathba Desert, and we will now show you our 2-bedroom suite. Okay, first start with the living room. You have also the possibility to go out on the balcony, but this we will do later. Some welcome gifts. Okay, and we have a 2-bedroom suite. So I show you now the first bedroom, the smaller one. This is the bathroom to that bedroom. This is one of our bedrooms. You have also here another separate balcony. And you have that beautiful desert view. Okay, let's go now to the second one. So this is the way to the second bedroom. It's just as spacious as the first one. And this is the bathroom. And now I will also show you the balcony outside and the desert view. This is the balcony that belongs to this 2-bedroom suite.